The story of ancient Rome is full of big dreams, amazing victories, and huge failures. How did a small city by the Tiber River grow into one of the greatest empires in history? And what caused its downfall? Let's find out. The story of Rome starts in 753 BCE with a legend about two brothers, Romulus and Remus. But the real success of Rome came from smart ideas and hard work. In 509 BCE, Rome became a republic, where people could vote for their leaders. Rome's army was very strong and helped it grow bigger. Rome didn't just fight battles, it also made friends with the people it conquered. Many of them became Roman citizens. This made Rome even stronger. The wars with Carthage, called the Punic Wars, were a big deal. Rome won these wars and became the most powerful force in the Mediterranean. In 27 BCE, Augustus, the first emperor, took control and started Rome's golden age. At its peak, Rome controlled lands from Britain to Egypt. It was famous for its amazing buildings, like the Colosseum, and its smart ideas, like aqueducts that brought water to cities. Rome's influence wasn't just about war. It changed the way people lived, from laws to languages. Even today, we use ideas that came from Rome. But even the strongest empires can fall. By the 3rd century CE, Rome had big problems. There was fighting inside the empire, money problems, and attacks from outside enemies. In 410 CE, something shocking happened. The Visigoths attacked and looted Rome. In 476 CE, the Western Roman Empire fell. The eastern part, called the Byzantine Empire, survived for another 1,000 years, but the great Empire of Rome was gone. Rome's story shows us how even the biggest powers can rise and fall, but its ideas and buildings are still with us today. Rome will always be remembered as one of history's greatest empires. What do you find most interesting about ancient Rome? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more fun history videos. And hit the bell so you don't miss out.